Welcome to episode 8 of our Crypto Investing with AI series. Today, we're going to help you do something most beginners struggle with: reading crypto market trends. But don't worry, you won't need to become a technical analyst or spend years learning chart patterns. With the help of AI tools, you can decode market direction in minutes. Let's start with why market trends even matter. Imagine investing in a coin right before it crashes, or selling just before a major bull run. That's what happens when you ignore market signals. Trends tell you the general direction the market is moving: up, down, or sideways. And understanding them helps you decide when to enter or exit your positions. Now, traditionally, reading trends required understanding candlestick patterns, indicators like RSI or MCD, and charting platforms like TradingView. But thanks to AI, things have changed. Let's look at how AI makes trend analysis easier, even for non-traders. First up is Santiment. This tool uses on-chain data and social signals to show you what's happening behind the scenes of each coin. It can detect things like unusual wallet activity, rising discussions on social media, or sudden changes in volume. These are often early signs of a trend shift. Next is LunarCrush. It tracks social sentiment using AI. If a coin is being talked about more and in a positive tone, it may be entering a bullish phase. If the sentiment drops and discussions go negative, it could signal a downtrend. You don't need to analyze posts yourself. The AI does it for you and gives you a score. Then there's Glassnode. This tool is more advanced, but still beginner-friendly. It shows metrics like how many holders are in profit, how long coins are held before moving, or whether whales are buying or selling. These patterns help you understand the strength behind a move. You can also use ChatGPT to summarize current news, interpret technical indicators, or help explain what a spike in volume might mean. While it's not perfect for real-time analysis, it's excellent for simplifying complex signals into plain language. Here's a simple example. Let's say Bitcoin is showing increased buying volume, positive social sentiment on LunarCrush, and on-chain data from Santiment shows accumulation by top wallets. These three signals combined could suggest a potential uptrend forming. You might decide to hold off on selling or even increase your position. The key here is not to rely on just one indicator. Use a combination of AI tools to confirm the trend. Look for alignment. If multiple tools point in the same direction, your confidence increases. You don't have to be a trader. You just need to understand the story the data is telling. AI turns that story into something readable, even if you've never read a chart in your life. Coming up in episode 9, we'll talk about how to manage risks using AI so that one bad trade doesn't wipe out your progress. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more.